Alright guys, we're here in a 2024 Nissan Altima. We're going to be doing a spare proximity key. We have one working. As you can see, the car's running right now. We are using a token machine. As you can see, we have 14 tokens on the machine. I'm going to do this incorrectly. I'm going to attempt to program a slot prox for a 07 to 14 Altima. We have our correct prox right here, but wrong logo, but it's irrelevant. It'll still work. But I want to show you how it doesn't use multiple tokens. We've had guys say that, you burn tokens, and it took 4 tokens to get the key to program, and what have you. So we're going to go through it. So we're going to go ahead and shut this off. I don't care whether it's open or not. So we're going to connect. Put our hazards on, 14 tokens. Ignition's off. Hazards are on. Okay. Program prox. Do you want to continue? Yes. You want to continue? Yes. We'll go ahead and hit lock. Okay. Yes, we're going to delete. Should hear the car beep here in a sec. And there it is. We've gained access. We're in registration mode. So I don't even need the tester at this point, but we're going to use it anyway. We're going to hit OK. So we're going to take our working one. We're going to press it here on the button, press it down and release it. Comes on. There's our security light, flashes 5 times. All right, let's shut it off then. All right, do we want to program more keys? All right, so we've shut it off. Now let's try it again. We're going to use this one. We'll use the wrong prox. We'll set this one over here. All right, so here, probably beep at me. Oh no, what am I doing? Oh goodness, let me start pressing the button crazy. Oh, it's not working. Oh geez, oh man. Okay, oh, what do I do? Okay. No, we don't want to program more keys. All right, oh, it's off. Okay, and then we got to go with this, see if it works. Oh, it beeped at me. Oh, registration complete. Okay. All right, we'll hit OK. Ignition's off. All right, complete. All right, that works. Oh no, the wrong prox doesn't work. Oh, let me go back through. 13 tokens now. Let me hit play. Yes, we're going to continue. Okay. Yes, delete the keys. There we are. We're in registration mode. Okay. We're not even going to use the tester. We're just going to go, oh, here we are. Do it again. There it is, programming our existing key back in. All right, shut it off. Let's try our wrong key again. Oh, it doesn't work. Goodness, what am I going to do? Oh, man. Maybe I got to open and close the doors a couple of times. Oh, it's beeping at me. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I got to press the hazards a few times. Oh, it didn't work. All right, well, let's go back to the original. I'm panicking. Oh, geez. Did I blow it up? Oh, registration complete. Oh man, car still starts. Gotta put my foot on the brake. Oh, okay. Oh, geez. Oh man. Okay. That's good. Oh no, I accidentally kicked the freaking plug. Oh, it's gonna take 17 more tokens. Oh no. Oh, geez. What do I do? Oh, I'm just gonna panic and press buttons. Oh man. Oh, gosh. Oh, hold on. Let me plug that back in. Oh goodness. I disconnected from the vehicle. What am I gonna do? All right. Let's use the right prox now. Oh man, I can see we used the wrong prox this whole time. Geez, I wasn't paying attention. All right, we'll hit lock. Do we wish to continue? Yes. All right. Oh, access granted, retrieve. All right, so we're just going to do this. We're not going to use our tester. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. That one's off. Let's go to our next one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. We'll shut that one off. Go back to the original. Registration complete. Oh, let's see. Right procs, wrong logo. I don't care. It works. Okay, let's see. Oh, man. Oh, do we want to program more? Oh, no. What do we do? Oh, it still works. Man, we got 13 tokens here. We just tried programming 2, 3, 4 times or what. And we disconnected. And we have 13 tokens. We've used 1 token so far. Here, you know what? Just for keepsake, we'll go back through and we'll do it again. So both of our keys are working. All right, we're in registration mode. Here we go. We're going to program that one in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut it off. We'll hit okay. Okay, whatever. Who cares? We'll go back with this one. Oh, key registration complete. Original works. Oh, mine doesn't. Oh, geez. Man. Okay, we'll hit stop. Man, I'm still plugged in. We're going to program it back in because I don't know what we did wrong. We messed something up. We just feel like burning some tokens, so we'll go back through. Uh-oh. Alarm's going off. What do we do? I don't know. Pretty sure it's stealing tokens when the alarm's going off. All right. Do our second one. All right, back to the original. Okay. As you can hear it. Done deal. And as you can see, oh, well, here, we'll hit all the buttons. No, we're done. We blew it up. It's not working. 13 tokens. And we've programmed this a handful of times. It does not steal tokens. The reason why you're doing this is you're coming here, you're disconnecting, and if I go back through, then it's going to use another token. So I don't understand how tokens are being misused. It does happen from time to time, but definitely not on this if you know what you're doing. As always, this is brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.